channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today we are going to be toning my hair with the Jerome Russell Bblonde in the shade Platinum Maximum Blonde Toner, non-permanent, no ammonia or peroxide, and it should last up to 8 weeks. It comes in these little bottles. I think they're 75 millilitres. Yeah, so they're 75 millilitres and they just look like this, and they're a solution that you just put straight onto your hair. I will be using 2 bottles because my hair is quite thick. This is the second part to my video of going from a dull blonde to a bright blonde, which I think I achieved. My hair before was very ashy, almost like slightly grey, and I really didn't like it, so I thought I'd do this video. So I got it to a bright blonde. I just want to cancel out any of those yellowy creamy tones. So if you do have a slight creamy, slightly yellow, because I wouldn't say it's brassy, blonde hair, then this might be able to help you. Or if you just want to have a look at toners and see what toners come out like on this type of hair, then this might be of use to you. I will link the video from a dull blonde to a bright blonde down below, and also on my channel I have another video from going from bright pink to a blonde. So this was all part of kind of like a carry-on. So on my channel now you've got going from a bright colour to a blonde, and then going from a dull blonde to a bright blonde, and then adding a toner. So if you want to watch that whole process, then I'll link those videos down below, and maybe that might be helpful. Otherwise I will crack on with this video and stop talking. So my apologies, I did not read the instructions, and I just realised that you need to wash your hair with a clarifying shampoo. Do not condition in your hair. Make sure you don't, because I always find it really difficult, because one, my hair is naturally curly and hates being brushed when it's not being conditioned. 2, it what was I going to say? It just becomes a habit just to condition it. So make sure you don't condition it, and then towel dry your hair, and then you massage the toner into the hair from the root to the tip. So I'm just going to jump in the shower and wash my hair, and then I'll be back to pop this on, and hopefully this will get rid of those creamy tints in my hair. So I've washed the toner out. As you can see, it is very light and it's very, very blonde. It's got rid of all them creamy yellowy textures on top, which I'm really, really happy about. It worked all over. I probably kept the toner on a little bit longer than I said. I originally said 10 minutes, but I would say it was on there for a good, probably like 20, maybe 25, because I made a sandwich, and you know, when a girl gets hungry, she gotta eat. That's I wasn't really counting, if I'm honest, so I would say between 20 and 25 minutes, roughly there. But you can kind of keep checking on your hair. If you're unsure, just take a little bit from the back and just run it under the water, and then you'll kind of see how it's starting to come out. My hair was a lot lighter on the bottom than it was on the top, so just bear that in mind. I had like a kind of like a really light dip dye going on. My hair was still blonde, but you can, and that's why you can see a slight fade, which is quite nice. I quite like it. Gives a bit more texture and volume, I guess, that it's not all white. So yeah, so I definitely suggest you trying the Jerome Russell Bblonde bleach, peroxide and the toner. As I said before, they actually do a silver toner and they do a pale pink toner. So just make sure your hair, it needs to be light for the toner obviously to grab hold of those light pigmentations. Bear that in mind, and also take care of your hair. If you think your hair is not in good enough condition for bleach, please don't do it. I don't want to be responsible for anyone's hair falling out because that would make me really sad. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like the hair. I need to decide whether I need to cut this fringe or whether I'm just gonna let it grow out. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as I said, I will link all those other videos down below if you wanting to kind of go the whole process of dyeing your hair from a bright colour to this colour. Also, just one thing before I stop rambling is that everyone's hair reacts differently to dyes. So don't go in with the initial plan that your hair is going to turn out exactly like mine, because it might not. As I said, I'm not a hairdryer. I'm not a hairdryer. Of course I'm not a hairdryer. I'm not a hairdresser. So I can't tell you how yours is going to turn out, but I would imagine if you go through the same process and you get it a similar colour, it will be on the same level as long as it is in as good condition as my hair is. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the previous video. If you've already watched that, if you haven't, then please go and watch it and give it a thumbs up. That would make me very happy. Otherwise, I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys!